I love the feeling I get when I look at the Tetons. In Wyoming, you can dream big. You have to be inventive to live here. One day, while I was hunting, I tore my jacket on a fence. Everybody in Wyoming patches their gear with tape. I didn't want to put a square piece of tape on my jacket, so I cut a piece of duct tape into the shape of a heart. I researched and developed the same stylish patches made of fabric. A few months later, I had my first prototype patches to share with my friends. Then I thought, I'm going to make these patches available for everyone. We launched a successful crowdfunding campaign. I started selling in our local gear shops. And I attended trade shows and learned about the outdoor and hunting markets. Now, we're working with brands to convert their fabric into patches they can bundle with their gear.
Noso nailed it. They're helping to diversify Wyoming's economy. They focus on reuse and repair. Not a lot of companies do that.
The sustainability of our planet is personal because it matters to each of us. We have to work together. It's not a single voice, but rather a chorus that will lead us to a sustainable future. Inclusivity is the way to create the greatest positive impact on our environment.
My question to you, what are you doing to patch the planet?